everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I have finished my household work and I prepare lunch box of my children and drop them off at school. My husband also go to work. Now I have some free time. So a thought came in my mind that why not practice some English speaking with you all. But now I'm going to prepare lunch for my kids. While preparing lunch, I will speak English with you, and today we will learn some new words while preparing lunch. So, in today's video, I want to talk to you on very important topic if you want to learn English. So, you have to build a habit of regular learning English and you watch small kids stories on video and daily speak not much little bit only 5 minutes you have to speak and learn daily. In beginning you may feel very energetic and excited to speak English every 2 or 3 days, but after some time you feel lazy and you mind said no, I don't want to speak English or I don't want to learn English. But you have to don't give up. You have to practice daily. No matter how you busy or lazy you feel, you should have to speak English every day for 5 minutes. You can turn on your camera and start speaking English with yourself. If you don't feel comfortable to speak in front of camera, so you stand in front of mirror and start speaking English with yourself about your morning routine, your work, what you're doing right now. That all what described in English. If you don't have any topic, you don't no idea what to speak, so you start speaking on your daily routine, on your family, on your children, on your household work, or on your activities right now what you are doing. These all words described in English and try to think it in English. If you're watching any movie, watch movie in English. You like to watch cartoon, you watch that cartoon in English and observe what they are talking and speaking. And if you got some new words, write down that words in your copy and search meaning of that words and make sentence at least 5 sentences daily and try to speak it with yourself. If you are feeling shy, so speak English in a room slowly. After some time, you notice that you are getting better day by day. If you follow this routine, you will speak English very clearly and naturally. I have not English speaking environment, but I speak English with myself and I don't have expensive classes, but I speak English with myself, with my daily routine, with my household work. I am not a English fluent speaker and not a teacher. I am also same like you. I am also beginner and I am learning and speaking English like you. But I speak daily. I speak daily at least 10 to 15 minutes with myself and with my children. So I am getting better day by day. I am also observing that I am getting better. You are doing these 50 days or 1 month, you will do this regular 1 month regular. After 1 month, you will noticing that you are getting better and speaking very smoothly and very natural. One day, you will look back and feel, wow, I have improved so much. I am speaking English much better than before. You have already started your English speaking journey, then trust me, in future you realize that You have taken a best decision that you made. English can help you in many different ways. It can give you many new opportunity in your life, and English will make you confident and better. When you stand in front of people and speak English, people will proud on you.